You want to start a business, or maybe you've recently started one, but you're struggling to create content and to build an audience. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take content creation and audience building and turn it from something that seems almost impossible into something that feels natural and effortless. If you want to see more videos like this one helping you grow your online knowledge business, please click like and subscribe below. Hey everyone, I'm Brian McAnulty. I'm the founder of Heights Platform, the online course creation software that helps creators like you monetize your knowledge and get your customers results. So the way I see it is there are two different personas. There's the creator and the online marketer. And online marketers understand that they need to be creating content in order to get the attention of their potential audience. Creators, on the other hand, they really love the work that they do, but they tend to be a little bit more private about it. So this video is really aimed at the creator, where if maybe you don't see yourself as much like an online marketer, but you want to understand how can you create content without it feeling completely overwhelming, and how can you do it in a way that feels natural to you. The big tip here is to not work in secret. So let me explain what that means. If you're a creator, you want to build content, you want to start growing an audience. Now, you have something that you're doing as a creator. Maybe you're some kind of artist, maybe you're a musician. A lot of creators tend to make the mistake of thinking, well, I need to wait until this new thing is done and this new project is finished before I can create content around it. So if you're a musician, for example, saying, well, I need to wait until my album is finished, or at least my song is finished, my single is finished before I can go and create content about that and build my audience. And I'm not ready yet. I'm not there yet. So how can I make an audience? I can't grow it yet. And the solution to that is that you should be creating content about what you're doing, even just day to day, because that is what your audience wants to see. They want to understand what you're doing as a creator. They want to understand how you're doing what you're doing. They want to see everything behind that. So you don't have to turn this into this huge like life vlog of yourself where you're recording every single thing that you do. But in those day-to-day moments of the things that you're working on in your progress towards your business, towards a specific project in your business, there is content right there that your audience would love to see. And is something that is really going to be pretty natural for you to create because it's something you're already doing. You don't have to sit down and say, well, what am I going to talk about today? What am I going to do today? It's something that's already part of your business. It's something that's already part of the way that you're thinking, the way that you're working, and the tasks that you're doing day to day. Now, this is something that I'm guilty of it myself, where I should be creating more content. I should be talking more about what I'm doing, and I'm only just starting to get better at it now. But if you're a creator and the idea of selling to your audience feels unnatural to you, or you're struggling to find these ideas to create content about, then consider making content about what it is that you're building in your business. If you think about for a minute, what's something that you do every single day in your business that it's just naturally part of what you're doing as a creator that you could be making content about? Once you've thought of that, leave a comment below and share with us what that is for you. For me, in my business, I could give an example that we're this course creation software. We help creators build their courses, their coaching programs, digital products, memberships. And one of the things that we talk about is when we have new feature updates. We also are doing things where, like, I'm making this YouTube video now, and we're talking about our opinions, our thoughts about creating and building an online business. But where I could go a little bit further, for example, and then where it would be really easy to do that without really any extra work about writing a script or typing out content or designing graphics, would be to talk about why we're doing certain things in our features. So as an example, we recently released this feature called Challenges, where creators can build a challenge for their audience as opposed to a more typical kind of online course. And we've talked about this, we made a release video about this, but I could be going into content about, well, hey, this is why we built this. This is how we think this is useful for your students to learn from you. This is how we think it can be a powerful marketing tool for you. And there's just all kinds of content that is just naturally there about why you're doing what you're doing, how you're doing what you're doing. And I think for every business, there's something there that you can find as well. I also want to mention that if you're not creating too much content right now, that you just get started. So even if you find an easy process, even if this video helps you to come up with an easy process to create more content in the future, you need to make sure that you actually start doing it, because it is an exercise. It is a habit that you have to build. So even when you find this process that it's not going to take too much time out of your day, even though it fits into everything you're doing, you still need to make sure you start doing it and then do it consistently. And once you get really consistent at it, it's only going to get easier. It's only going to feel more natural for you to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more videos helping you grow your online business, check out this next video.